Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add border in Microsoft Excel. So let's go quick into it. Now let's open Microsoft Excel first. So let's type Excel in here in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. If you're already in your document or just simply click on that from here, or you can simply click on blank workbook if you don't have any document in Excel. Then here you will find these three symbols right here at the bottom. So one is for normal, the second one is for page layout, and the third one is for page break preview. Now we need to choose the second symbol, which is page layout. Click on that. And then you will have this one. Now once you have done with that, at the top right here, you'll find these tabs. Click on page layout. And then you will find margins. Click on this drop down arrow and choose narrow. Now once you have chose that, simply drag this cursor up to the bottom of the page. Like that, up to the bottom of the page for the first page. Now once you're done with that, you have to go to Home tab. And here you will find this small arrow next to font settings. Click on that. And here you will find Format Cells window. You have here the border. Click on border. Now we need to choose the border line. So the style, let me choose this. And then you also have to choose the color. Let's go with this dark red. And you have to choose this outline. You will have the preview in here and then click on OK. And that's it. As easy as that, you have just added a border in your Microsoft Excel sheet. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.